As promised here tonight with a closer look at this record cold weather across our country and some other records that are falling in other parts of the world going the opposite way. All of it has some people wondering what this says about global warming, a topic that still remains hot and politically polarizing. Our report tonight from our chief environmental affairs correspondent, Ann Thompson.
As America the Frozen thaws out, some want to reignite the debate over global warming.
I absolutely do not believe in global warming.
While it's been bitter, in some parts of the country, the mercury feels like it's been on a bungee jump. Take New York, 55 degrees on Monday, down to a daily record low of 4 degrees Tuesday, back to 55 this Saturday. What does that tell us about global warming? Scientists say nothing.
You can't look at a single event to prove or disprove global warming. You have to look at a period of 30 years to see what the climate is doing.
Global warming or climate change is measured in decades, not days, and the average temperature trend is up. Plus, it's a global phenomenon. So this week, while much of the U.S. shivers, other parts of the world swelter. In Brazil, as the temperatures topped 120 degrees, the animals at Rio Zoo eat popsicles to keep cool. Australia is also having a heat wave, with temperatures pushing 125 in the west, following 2013, the hottest year on record down under. In the northern hemisphere, Moscow, Copenhagen, and Anchorage, Alaska are all above average. And California is unusually dry.
94% of the state is in quite strong drought. This ultimately will increase the risk of wildfires when they get the right kinds of conditions.
Yet skeptics persist, angering America's favorite fake news man.
Apparently, decades of peer-reviewed scientific study can be, like a ficus plant, destroyed in one cold weekend.
The last time we saw such temperatures was nearly 2 decades ago, but this is not a historic deep freeze.
Before the mid-1990s, we used to see this sort of cold snap every 5 or 10 years.
This is one we won't soon forget. Ann Thompson, NBC News, New York.
And we are back in a moment with the